All right, when we multiply mixed numbers, there are a couple steps that we can take. We want to first write the mixed number as an improper fraction. Remember that when mixed numbers are written as improper fractions, the denominators do not change. Then you want to multiply as with fractions. So I have an example here where I might take one-third times 1/4. Let's do 1 3/4. Let's do that. So this one's already just a fraction, not a mixed number, so I'm just going to recopy this. 1/3 multiplication. And then this one, this is how you do this again. I take 1, the whole number, times the denominator of 4, and then I add that numerator. So that's equal to 4 plus 3 is 7, and I keep the denominator, 4. And so now this number really is 7/4. And so now I can multiply across. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. I cannot simplify. And so that's my final answer. The same rules apply for multiplying mixed numbers with mixed numbers. So let's just do an example of that one. What if I have 1 7/8 times 3 1/3? Again, I'm going to have to make it into an improper fraction. So 1 times 8 plus 7 over 8 times 3 times the denominator 3 plus the numerator over the denominator of 3. 1 times 8 is 8 plus 7 is 15 over 8 times 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10 over 3. And now I can multiply. Well, I know 15 times 10 is 150, and 8 times 3 is 24. Well, I know I can divide both of these by 6. And that gives me 25 over 4. One last piece to this is I could have simplified this first. So I noticed that 15 and 3 are both divisible by 3. So I can divide this by 3 and that by 3. I also noticed that 8 and 10 are divisible by 2. So this makes it all a little easier. 15 divided by 3 is in fact 5. 8 divided by 2 is in fact 4. Multiply that to 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. That's much easier to multiply together, and in fact it actually gives us the answer we got right there. Smiley face.